Hello everyone, class 8 GK, chapter 42, exercise your right. So, human right entitled every human in the world the right of life, liberty, equality, freedom of thoughts and expression, freedom from slavery and torture, and a fair title. So, International Human Day is observed on December 10th every year. We celebrated. So, here is the symbol of National Human Right Commission. So, human right is entitled for the in world, यानी कि दुनिया में रहने वाले हर ह्यूमन के लिए जो ह्यूमन राइट की मतलब वो है रूल्स हैं वो सभी के लिए बराबर है. राइट टू इक्वलिटी, राइट टू लिबर्टी, राइट टू इक्वल freedom, all things. So here is related to the fill in the blanks is there. First number, human rights are universal for everyone. Liberty without equality is meaningless. Third number, human rights support and advocated the esteem of humans. Fourth number, human rights are protected by international and domestic laws. Fifth number, motherhood and childhood are entitled to space, care and assistance. Sixth number, everyone has a right to believe and practice the religion a person wants. Seventh number, everyone has the right to free participate in the culture life of a community. Eighth number, everyone without any discrimination has the right to equal pay for equal work. Ninth number, human rights establish a peaceful environment for the development of human life and harmonious existence of all mankind. So students, here is the fill in the blanks related from the human rights. All of you have read properly. So here is the paragraph for the RTI. RTI Act means a right to information. The Right to Information Act comes into effect on October 12, 2005 में ये आया था. It empower a citizens to seek information from public authority. This right include inception of work, document and record, taking notes, abstract of certified copies of document or records, and taking certified samples of material held by the public authority. So here is the tick the correct answer also there. So what is the age criteria? इसका age criteria क्या होता है? Any age group. Second number, can we write RTI application through post? Yes. Third number, how many days will it take to get information after filling an RTI? Up to 30 days. Fourth number, what is the fee of RTI application? 10 rupees. Fifth number, whom to address an RTI application? Public Information Officer. Sixth number, who can file an RTI? Indian citizen. So all of you students, read this chapter. This chapter's paragraphs also come in short notes, and fill in the blanks and tick the correct answer also very important. Our next chapter is chapter number 43, be a smart consumer. Consumer क्या होता है? Who is the consumer? A consumer is a person who purchase product or service for his her पर्सनल यूज़. कंज्यूमर वो पर्सन होता है जो किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को परचेज करता है अपने या दूसरे सर्विस या पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए. सो बिफोर बाइंग प्रोडक्ट यू मस्ट, किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को खरीदने से पहले हमें क्या ध्यान देना चाहिए? एक्सेस क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, check the batch number, manufacturing date and expiry date is also very important to check these points. Make sure that the product provided is safe. Choose only that product which is the right for you. Not pay more than MRP and insist on bill for any purchase. इफ़ यू आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद द प्रोडक्ट, अगर आप किसी प्रोडक्ट से सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है तो उसकी कंप्लेन आप सेलर या मैन्युफैक्चरर को कर सकते हैं. इफ़ द कंप्लेन इज़ नॉट हियर्ड प्रॉपरली, अगर आपकी कंप्लेन वहाँ सुनी नहीं जाती या सॉल्व नहीं की जाती तो वहाँ पर कंज्यूमर फोरम में आप इसकी कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं. यू कैन कॉल एन इंटरनेशनल कंज्यूमर हेल्पलाइन नंबर टोल फ्री 1800114000 to seek information, advice and guidance for any queries and complaints. You can access the quality, reliability and safety for a product with the presence of certification marks. Some of the certification marks also there. यहाँ पे कुछ certification marks के samples दिए गए हैं जो अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. ISI mark on industrial product, EC mark on agriculture product, WOL mark on woolen product, hallmark on gold and silver product, silk mark on silk product, handloom mark on handloom product, recycling mark on recyclable product, eco mark on environment friendly product. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. First number, In India, the Consumer Protection Act was enforced in 1986. Second number, the quality of a product is intended to be usable before the expiry date. Green sign is used for vegetarian product, red sign is used for the non-vegetarian product, and the brown sign is used for the vegetarian product. FSSAI logo signifies that the product is hygienic and approved. Jago Grahak Jago is a consumer awareness program from Ministry of Consumer Affairs. So students, here is the some certification mark is also come as a diagram question, and both chapters are very important for exam, for definition, for the short note, and many questions are making from between the lessons. So all of you have please read properly this lesson and prepare very well. So thank you and have a nice day.